Using the Varo Believe card effectively involves understanding its features and integrating it into your financial habits. Here's a step-by-step guide. Activate your card. Upon receiving your Varo Believe card, activate it through the Varo app. Log into your account, follow the prompts to activate the card, and set your PIN. A link to Varo bank account. Ensure your Varo Believe card is linked to your Varo bank account. This card is designed to help you build credit, so it works differently from traditional credit cards. Add funds to secured account. Transfer money from your Varo bank account to your Varo Believe secured account. The amount you transfer will be your spending limit for the Varo Believe card. Make purchases. Use your Varo Believe card like any other credit card. It can be used for online shopping, in-store purchases, and anywhere Visa is accepted. Pay off balances. Regularly use the Varo app to monitor your spending and ensure you have enough funds in your secured account. Payments are automatically deducted from your secured account, so maintaining a positive balance is crucial. Monitor your credit. Varo reports your card activity to major credit bureaus. Responsible use, such as paying on time and not maxing out your limit, will help build your credit score over time. Check statements and alerts. Regularly review your monthly statements and set up alerts in the Varo app to track your spending and payments.